Hi lovely ladies, today I'll be talking about Mothercare All We Know Baby Lotion. The cost of this product is rupees 299 or 300 ml of the product. Lotion is a little pinkish in color. Okay, this bottle has this Mothercare logo, the name of the product, and it also has certain claims that it is suitable from birth, it is midwife tested, it has natural extracts. By natural extracts it means that it has olive oil and chamomile, which is certainly good for the baby. Olive oil is very moisturizing and chamomile is very soothing. So now let me show you the consistency of this lotion. Consistency is not too runny and not too thick. It is very light. It is very light texture and it is absorbed into the skin very easily. It is not at all greasy. It is very smooth and makes the skin very soft. It has a very light fragrance, not at all strong, just like a baby. It has very simple, sober and soft fragrance. The product claims that it is midwife tested, it is hypoallergenic. It means that it won't cause any allergy to the baby and it has been tested in the labs. The best thing about this product is that it is paraben free. As we all know, parabens can cause cancers, though it has not been proved, but this product claims that it is paraben free. Another nice thing about this Mothercare All We Know Baby Lotion is that you get to know that when it's gonna expire. It is written on this bottom bar here. It shows when it was manufactured and it also shows when it will expire. So you get to know that for how much time period you can use it for the baby and after which you should be throwing it away. Till now I had been talking about the pros. Let's talk about the cons. Mothercare as a brand is not easily available in any store. You have to search for a Mothercare store or any store which surely gives out the Mothercare products. But its packaging is very bad. It's not at all travel friendly, though this cap is so loose. See, so all in all, this is a very nice product. Do give it a try, and for the price we pay, we are getting something which has been tested in the lab, which is paraben free, which has been dermatologically tested, which is hypoallergenic, quickly absorbed, moisturized, non-greasy, which has olive oil and chamomile. So I think this is what we can get for something we are paying. This was all about Mothercare All We Know Baby Lotion.